everyone, welcome back to our Pilates and Wellness program. We are going through our Face Pilates exercises, and today we're going to be starting with the neck. We're going to be doing what's called our neck stretch and neck rotation, and this is just a really great way to warm up the neck muscles before we start doing some deeper exercises. It's a really beautiful way to also loosen any neck tension you may be feeling, to relax the shoulders and just get centered and grounded in your body. So let's get it started, just sitting up nice and tall. Feel your shoulders relaxing down your back. And go ahead and take a deep breath in and deep breath out. And again, inhaling deeply and exhaling. Good. One more breath in. And this time as you exhale, we're going to drop one ear down towards your shoulder. You can go ahead and grab on to get a little bit extra stretch from above the opposite side of your head, and just gently pull your ear down towards your shoulder, seeing if you can feel the opposite shoulder drawing down towards the floor. Starting to open up those neck muscles. We hold a lot of tension here. Lifting back up, breathe in. And breathe out, switching sides. Little gentle pull. And draw your opposite shoulder away from the ear down towards the floor. And back up, breath in. Breath out. See if you can really feel that ear reaching up towards the ceiling. Deepening the stretch on each repetition. Good. Back up, inhale, and exhale, coming down. Holding here. And this is a really nice and easy one to do from anywhere, any time of day. It's a beautiful one to be returned back into your body if you're stressed working at your desk, or even if you're just at home watching Netflix. It's a nice area that you can stretch and release gently. And back up. One more to the opposite side. Reaching down, breathing in. And breathing out, back to center. And we're going to add on our neck rotation now. So take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, start to lengthen your neck and just rotate around towards your left shoulder. And see if you can feel the stretch from underneath the chin all the way across the neck to your opposite shoulder. Good. Coming back to center, breath in. And switching sides, breath out. Looking over that shoulder. See if you can try to bring your eye gaze right behind you, all the way around. Again, back to center. Inhale. And exhale, twist. And back forward, inhale. Exhale, rotate. Opposite shoulder down to the floor. And center, one more to each side. Breath in, breath out. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Just stretching through the neck. Back forward, inhale. And exhale, twist. Holding there, a couple more seconds. Breathe in. And return, breathe out. Thank you.